Hi everyone, we're at 42 Water Tupelo Lane. This is my brand new listing in Bluffton Park. It's a townhome with living space downstairs. It's got an open kitchen to the dining area, great room, tile floors, stainless steel appliances in the kitchen, powder room. Upstairs you have 2 bedrooms, each with its own bath, laundry facilities. And then out back, you have a great patio area, and there's also a 1-car garage. If you're not familiar with Bluffton Park, it's a great neighborhood. There's a community pool, pavilion, and playground. It's also adjacent to Oscar Fraser Park. This townhome is walking distance to Old Town Bluffton, or you can have a golf cart, which is everyone's preferred mode of transportation. There's so much going on in Old Town. There's shops, restaurants, business and services. There's also festivals throughout the year, as well as a weekly farmers market. Historic Bluffton is located on the May River. There's boating, fishing, kayaking, as well as parks for enjoying the river breezes. If you'd like more information, you can visit my website, kateyakini.com, or you can call or text me at 843-683-5283.